When it comes to pre-owned cars, trucks, and SUVs, the best place to buy is here at Folsom Chevrolet. And here's another example of a great GM certified vehicle, and comes equipped with air conditioning, 6-speaker audio system, traction control, power windows, 4.1 rear axle ratio, 6-speaker audio system, trailer brake control, anti-lock braking, overhead console, electronic stability control, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Every GM certified pre-owned vehicle comes equipped with an impressive 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty. Plus, every certified pre-owned vehicle comes with the remainder of a transferable 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. We believe in our vehicles, and we're not afraid to stand behind them. We have a great selection of certified pre-owned vehicles, so take your test drive today. Come into Folsom Chevrolet here in the Folsom Auto Mall.